welcome. Let's take the next 5 minutes just for you. Find a comfortable seated position on a chair, on the floor, or wherever you feel at ease. Gently close your eyes and allow your body to begin to relax. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale. Now let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Just observe the inhale and the exhale, like waves gently rising and falling. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Feel a gentle wave of relaxation wash over you. Let it move down your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, releasing any tension. Let this wave flow down your neck and shoulders, softening, unwinding, down your arms to your hands and fingertips. Let your chest relax, your belly soften, and feel the calm reach down to your legs, ankles, and toes. Now bring your focus to this moment. There is nowhere else to be, nothing to do, just this breath. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently guide it back to your breath, back to this stillness. Be here now. Now take a moment to send kindness to yourself. Silently repeat, "May I be calm, may I be centered, may I be at peace." Or simply set an intention. I choose to move through my day with ease and clarity. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you. Thank you for showing up for yourself today.